Here we are at the Main Street crossing in McComb, Ohio. We're going to be taking a look at the first signal here. It has Safetran base, Safetran gate mechanism, Safetran counterweight arms. For lights, it has two pairs of Hawker Siddeley Era Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights. And for the actual lights, they are two pairs of Safetran 12-inch Incandescents. For the bell, it's a GS Type 2 electronic bell. Right there. And then, last but not least, it's the three NEG Incandescent gate lights. For the first signal, we have track view looking east towards Fostoria on the NS Fostoria district, and track view facing west towards Fort Wayne, Indiana. For the second signal over here, appears to have another Safetran base, Safetran gate mechanism, Safetran counterweight arms. For the lights are two more pairs of Hawker Siddeley Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with two pairs of Safetran 12-inch Incandescents. And then on the gate lights are more NEG Incandescents. One thing I forgot to mention on that first signal is that they had Safetran brackets on both sides. And then for the final signal, there is a crossbuck over here on a post to guard this driveway. But yeah, that is the tour of the Main Street grade crossing in McComb, Ohio, along the NS Fostoria district.